Welcome to another set of video. Take your hair, comb it properly in the form of half ponytail, securing it with a rubber band, passing it through the gap, then divide the lower parts into two parts and then make each part in the form of a plate. It should be clean and nice. Then take both the plates and give it a fluffy look by pulling out few strands. Roll both the plates to the upper part of the hair, securing it with a bobby pin. Take two parts of your hair and make it look like a half ponytail. Then remove it through the gap. Then take the lower end. Repeat the same process so that it looks like layer, passing it through the gap. Then divide the remaining part of the hair into three sections and make a pigtail out of it, just like this. Secure the lower end with a rubber band. Give it a fluffy look. Roll it in the form of circle and secure it tightly with a bobby pin and your favorite looking back pin. See how good it looks. Take your hair, divide it into two sections, make it in the form of half ponytail, pass it through the gap, secure it with another rubber band, pass it again through the gap and upwards to make it look like a ribbon. Then divide the remaining hair into three parts and do a pigtail out of it, making it like a plate. Then roll the plate upwards just like this and secure it tightly with a bobby pin. Take your hair and divide it into two parts. Make a half ponytail out of it. Take the remaining hair and tie both the parts with the rubber band cleanly. Then tie lower ends of those two hair respectively. Take one end, pass it through the gap of another to the upper part. Repeat the same with both parts. Tie the lower end with a rubber band and yeah, you're good to go. Take your hair, tie it with a rubber band in the form of half ponytail. Take the rest of the part, divide it into three and make it look like layers just like the upper part of your hair. Take the remaining part, tie it again with a rubber band, make a hole in between and pass the lower end through that hole. Then take the lower end, make it tight and tie it around the upper part of your hair just like this. You're good to go. Take your hair, tie it in the form of lower ponytail, then divide the ponytail into two halves, making it cap, twisting it upwards just like this. It is simple and easy form of ponytail. Take your hair and tie it in the form of half ponytail with a rubber band. Then tie another hair with a rubber band again. Roll it upwards and then use another rubber band to secure it properly. Roll it upwards just like this and yeah, you're good to go. Secure it with your favorite looking back pin. Tie your hair in the form of lower ponytail, then use a hand properly to do so. Take that ponytail and divide it into two sections. Make a gap, roll it upwards just like a circle and then secure it tightly with a rubber band. Thanks for watching.